How to get bromeliads to bloom. Bromeliads are popular plants, with the most common being the pineapple. However, many bromeliads are kept as houseplants. They only bloom once. If you get impatient waiting, you can speed the process along. Things you will need: plastic bag, apple. Place the bromeliad plant, pot and all, into a clear plastic bag. Put a ripe apple into the same bag. Leave a small hole for some air, but keep it limited. The apple will produce ethylene gas, which triggers the flowering process. Move the bag and its contents out of direct sunlight for a week. Tips: warnings. The bromeliad must be of a certain size and maturity to bloom. To help it reach that state, feed, water and care for it according to its guidelines. Add a little Epsom salt to help speed the process along.